Hi everyone, this is my first YouTube video. My name is Lauren, with CE at the end of Lauren, and I figured with all you losers posting chainsaw videos, I figured I was entitled to one of my own. So today we're going to make some flower troughs out of some white pine peeled logs that were supplied. First we're going to talk about the chainsaw a little bit. This is the beast. It's a Husky 357 XP. It's been ported and it's been hot sawed by the guys at Walker Saw Shop in Nanaimo. And purrs like a kitten, stings like a bee when you give her. So here we move to the log. The log's been marked off a little bit. You mark your V on the back so you get your first two plunge cuts lined up. Just cut straight down. The two cuts intersect about 10 inches down in the log. You start the cuts about 4 inches from each end. And when you're done, you should be able to pry it out with a bar or with an axe. So we're going to start here, get this thing going, and maybe you can come around. That's my wife behind the video there. Hi, sweetie. Yes. My wife's name is Leslie. We're going to start here. First cut. It's probably about 3/4 of the way the depth we need. We'll do a finishing cut once we get about 3/4 of the way through this one. And the key here is to make a mark on the bar, the accurate depth you need, which in this case is 9 inches, on both sides of the bar, so you have a bit of a depth gauge to make sure you don't go and cut the back of the log out. So we're going to make the second cut and see if we can't start getting the two cuts to touch each other. and then do the exact opposite to make sure our end cuts are square and equal to each other. Here we go. Should be about 90% done. We're going to do a quick check with an axe to see where we've got binding, and we'll get back to you in a second.